Hey guys, hello, and welcome back to a video. Today we are gonna have a dance party. So let's dance, 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 dance. Oh, I'm jumping. Today, actually, the truth is, we're actually we're going to the grooming thing. Wow. Yeah, I know. I'm like the last vlogger in this world that's a dog. I know, like, everything is clean. What do you mean? Like, hey. Just cray. So dancing night. Oh, dancing for me. Okay, guys, sorry. So today we're going to the groom spot, so let's go and get some starts. Doo-doo. Hey, hello. Hi. Today you're going to groom? Yes. Okay, let's get this groom on the store.
Guys, he's got sights on us. Take cover.
Groom. This is the first time I'm going to show my face. But okay, let's get this grooming party started. Hey, we're doing a grooming party. Listen, I'm trying to do a video here. Sorry about that, guys. Super sorry. I'm trying to do my vlogging a bit, but I'm my way. Spotlight. Okay, red dot. Yeah, I have a red dot on my forehead. Woo! Okay, guys, my face is glowing. Coming! Sorry about that, guys. This video is gonna be horrible.